guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's 8:41, but I snuck out the house this morning. Yeah, bad girl, I'm a sneak on. Ain't nowhere excited. I went to the produce junction to get some fruits and everything. I had to go without my mom because she was going to want to stop 100,000,001 places, and I'm kind of an in and out girl. But let's get into this shirt though. Y'all see, read my shirt. I was asked to be Jada godmom, so yeah, me a godmother, good clean skin godmother. But my best friend, she asked me to be her baby's godmom, so it says godmom, I'll be there for you. If you don't know this about me, in college, Friends, the TV show Friends, was like my favorite show. A lot of people might just look at this and think like, oh, that's just a regular t-shirt, but this has sentiment value. And for Jada to like remember that and like incorporate it in the way that she asked me is so cool. Like, she asked Paige a different way, which I think just makes it even better. Like, she personalized everything, and that just made me feel special. I will be there for my little baby or whatever. Of course I'll be your mom. Like, what else do I gotta do? All this stuff already. I'm heading back home. Literally didn't even take me 30 minutes to like hop in and hop out. Because I'm missing you now. Don't have the dreads if you're Rasta. She's still loving me. Low-key upset. Like, I miss outside being open. Cause I love to get up early and get everything out the way so the stores aren't crowded and the road isn't crowded. And now I came to the pet store because my turtles, I've been feeding my turtles sausages for like the past week. Like, I've been cutting up sausages. Now I don't know, well, apparently they ain't died, so it's okay. But I just came to the pet store to get them their real food, and they closed. They're not open for another hour. I'm not waiting. So my turtles just gonna have to eat something unless I come back on the road today, which is annoying because I didn't want to come back on the road. I'm gonna just drive up myself for no reason. But that's waste gas for myself for no reason. I'm gonna show you all that I got at the market. And as I'm showing y'all, let me bring y'all a little closer. Alright, so I guess we're starting off with these. I got some scallions. And to follow scallion, I'm gonna get some thyme. I got 2 avocados. I got some broccoli. I got some blueberries for my smoothie. I got some grapes, more so for Mummy because I think I'm eating fruits this week. I got some lemon. I got some onion. How do you mean? Apple. Yeah, got apple so flimsy. I'm gonna get some apple. I got more avocado. I guess I got 4 avocados. Got some ginger, which is imperative in a time like this. Get more ginger. I got some cauliflower, some nice cucumber. And that's it, my kid. But what the onion? Jesus, mother, father, I never pick up my onion. I already woman never catch up my onion.
Why you always lying?
I got some onion. I got some onion.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, I did take up onion already. I'm gonna get some garlic. Just wash them and put them to dry and stuff. And then today, it won't be in this vlog. It'll probably be up before this vlog. I'm not sure yet. If it's up, I'll link it up here. If not, just look out for it. I'm gonna do like a cooking segment. Oh god, my turkey them hungry. I forgot go at the market. Oh no, mama showing them. Look on them. Them hungry. Them hungry bad. I forgot go up on the road get them food. I feel bad. Them hungry. The store's still not open yet. We still got 20 minutes before the store opens. So maybe by the time I'm done doing all of this, I can run real quick. Because it's not that far. It's about 10 minutes. And get them their food. Because, you know, I just feel like a bad mother. Like, legit, I'm showing you I've been feeding them. I've been feeding them Vienna sausages. I cut it up real small. And I just drop it in. And they be messing it up, sis. Like, me and them eat Vienna every day and that. But now, like, if me can't eat it, them can't eat it too. So, you know, so foreign make you feed animal specific food. Or let me tell you something. If you have one food in Jamaica, you buy specific, for example, dog. When people have dog, all them do, I just throw them bone, throw a bone and go. So anything I find, I feed them, but I feel bad though. So this week I'm gonna get into, like, I'm not sure if I want to do juicing or it's gonna be smoothie. I don't have a juicer, so they're probably gonna be like smoothie type things, but I am gonna right now cut them up and like so I can freeze them, because as you can see, some of the strawberries are like getting old already and I don't want them to go bad. So I'm gonna cut them up.
Make you do that. Can't my name go two caps. Love your belly, you that never go find your dead like that. Better say you live up by your yard and you're the cooper. Mother see your body and the after say you do that. Never them a move like you that say. There's some boys to be move and go. And I say big cat in them dog and a big so we do that day. Look at the glass and the no but I say I'm never gonna be like you marry. Just get the glass and then super come over them so by two are they. Oh, girl, yeah, let me hold on. No boy can't stand me. Let me hold my own, my own, my own, my own. Shut up what they're talking about me while they know me friend them a bar in a reptile. Stay in me all alien. Stay in me all alien.
I think I'm gonna go on smoothie. So let me get the ingredients there. Guys, sorry about the fan while I run. As I'm hungry, as I said, so I'm gonna make a smoothie, but with some of them I'm gonna cut up this morning and everything. But before me do that, I'm gonna look at the ingredients when I have, like me telling them, I tried. I don't know if I'm doing strict keto like I used to do before. I think I'm gonna do more of a low carb, especially because I'm incorporating things like apple in it. So it's probably gonna be more low carb, but I still wanted to try to see if I could fit it into like a ketosis lifestyle. I use this app called Carb Manager. So what I do is I go in and add what I'm gonna make. So how many cucumbers I can have. So it's the raw cucumber with peel, yep. So I'm gonna click on it. The serving size, it says it's a cup. I'm not gonna use a full cup. I'm gonna use about half of a cup. So I put half a cup and I select it and it's added to my food. I'm also gonna add some apple. And guys, I don't know how to do this. This is just my preference. I like to be very precise. It's not about me putting myself in a deficit. It's honestly for my mental, for my brain. So yeah, I'm gonna use this much. And every time I make smoothie, I'll know to use 0.75 apples in it, so that good. So I'm gonna add that to my cup. I have 3 films a piece of banana. This little piece alone weighs 0.6. That little piece of banana is 3 grams. So I don't know, I'm gonna add it to it. I really honestly only measure out the fruits because fruits have very high carbohydrate. This little bit right here, so weighs 1.06. So we're gonna work with it. We're gonna add it and on to cucumber. Like, I didn't want to come out as a smoothie, then halfway through I'm like, well, this is mighty watery, so I probably shouldn't have put as much milk in it. But then I think I want to do juices anyway rather than smoothies. So I'm gonna taste this concoction. Now let me just mix up. I forgot to make you taste nothing. Y'all gonna keep hearing it in my videos that I can't taste or smell, because I think this is like one of the worst things that can ever happen to me. So honestly, this can be nasty. I don't know. I guess we can't talk about the texture, but still it tastes like, I don't know if it's the spinach or the ginger, but it's still leafy. But it's refreshing. We can't tell no it tastes, honestly. I'm tasting the ginger like slightly. Anyway, I'm just going to drink this, guys. But now the best time for me to be healthy, right? Because I can't taste nothing. It don't matter. Guys, I feel like a bad parent. I say once you turkey them, I push them head back so I look for something to eat and thing. So I have to go buy them food now. I feed them from morning with the sausage, you know, guys. I feed them from morning, but I feel bad now. I feel like the sausage now do nothing for them, so time for go get them food. So guys, I just got to Petco and my comment there's a line. Now granted, I took somebody in there, but this is why I love come early when nobody in my way. So I'm not getting out of the car. Hopefully nobody else not going in front of me. Because it's very hard to breathe in these things. Like, I feel like I suffocate. I don't know where I go on, you know. These social distancing and them something I get from my nerves at this point. And I speak to God. But yeah, so I reach 2 people there. When I see one go in, I go. So make sure so nobody not going in front of me. I'm gonna go in and out. I'm not even carrying. Oh, somebody a park. No girl not go in front of me. So hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm not making nobody go in front of me. So make me hurry up. Nope, not today. Not today, Satan. Guys, my turtle food is sold out. Oh shoot, my turtle food is sold out. I saw it on Amazon, but it was more expensive, so I'm like, I'm gonna come to the store and get it. But apparently I should have just got it off of Amazon. Luckily they got this one. I think I'm gonna get this one and then order the shrimp on Amazon. They used to eat these when they were little babies, but like the tiny ones. So them never eat them big something I eat, you know. So I probably have to go crush it up for them. I don't know. And order their shrimp and stuff off of Amazon because all turkey food done. Me over this pandemic, like all turkey food. Like who would have thought? The pet store running out of food for the pets. It's crazy. I'm tired. Oh, it's 4 o'clock already though. It's 4 o'clock. I'm finally about to eat. I took the party upstairs because my mom downstairs watching TV all loud. I'm about to eat. I'm about to edit. Y'all know what time it is. Notification gang. Shout out for the comments on the last upload. Shout out to Kaveen. She's also another Jamaican YouTuber. Shout out to Kaveen. Another shout out goes to Marie's Kinda Life. Shout out yourself, Marie. Last one goes to Jerica BSW. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to comment. It really do mean a lot. Keep commenting so that you can get shout out one day on the vlog as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and check now, because enough time when I think on the subscribe and then when don't subscribe. So make sure and also hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.